Hi all, this is Ravi from IBM team, and today we are going to learn how to do the inspection of the materials. For that we have to log in into the store section responsibility. In the store section responsibility there is a receiving transactions. We'll give the receipt number which we have created in our previous section. We'll give the receipt number. If you don't know the receipt number, just give the percentage and then click on find. This is our receipt number. Select it and then click on OK and then click on find. So this was the receipt created against this purchase order. We have already received the material. Now we'll do the inspection. Here you can see the status showing as not inspected and the inspection required. So we'll do the physically verify whether the material is okay or not, or we will do the for the services also whether the services we have received are okay or not. So for that we will select this particular line and the system will ask for the location. So we'll give institute location. This is the institute location, the main institute, and after that we will click on inspect. Here we can give any comments. Material is good, is in good condition. You can give the quantity over here. The quantity cannot be more than this quantity, so we'll give 2. Then inspection result is accepted or rejected. There are 2 options over here. If you want to reject, then click reject over here. The transaction date will come automatically. The action executed by the person who is doing the inspection. Will give his name. Click on find, select it. So this is the inventory item, so the room and building is not required, and then click on OK. After that we will click on the save button. So in this way we have captured the inspection result over here after doing the physical verifications. In the similar way we can do this inspection for assets item also. There is not much difference for the same. So in this way we have learned how to do the inspection in the system. Thank you.